Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this video is somewhat to address a few comments and just to address some things. When I first made my first video, I told my story and I told what helped me. There are some of you that I'm sure watch other people's videos other than mine, which is perfect, it's fine. But when you go and you see someone else's video and they may state something that they're using or that you shouldn't do this or shouldn't do that, and most of them mainly are either pest control videos that you watch from pest control companies or people that have watched videos of a person or a pest control company. Then you come and share it. I don't need to know that. I know that pest control companies exist because when I first had bed bugs, I called the pest control company, and not blaming the whole company, but the person that they sent out did not do his job. Had he done it, I would have never created my first video about what I did to get rid of bed bugs. So from there, I just shared that one video and it has sprouted into this massive thing, which is fine because I don't mind sharing with you all what I've done to get rid of them and have helped tons of people get rid of them, if I may add. But for those of you who feel like diatomaceous earth is dangerous for you to use, don't use it. Don't use it. For those of you that go out and watch other videos and you want to go by what said in another video, go buy it. I'm not here trying to convince anybody to do anything. I simply shared my story, and those of you that want help, that come to me, I give you what works for me. Now, because it has gotten so huge, I do research other products and I give information on what I think, but I can only give true advice on what I've used. And diatomaceous earth is what I used. I used that, and I used very little alcohol. So I know some of you probably still do it anyway, but just to let you know, it will make me know, never mind. You don't need to come and share what a pest control company said on my channel, because I'm not interested in what a pest control company said. If you are scared to use diatomaceous earth, I've already stated, I don't know how many videos. Steam works very well, but it's not the only thing that you should use, because steam is on contact. Steam dry in like a second. A couple of seconds. Once the steam dries, it's not effective anymore. So steam work, alcohol work, diatomaceous earth work, crossfire work, and now something called eco-venger work. Then you have other people that's mixing all this stuff together and saying that work. It's to each its own. If you want to mix stuff together and use it, mix it together and use it. If you think diatomaceous earth is going to kill you, don't use it. If you just think crossfire is best for you, use it. If you come here in my comments to me and you ask me a question, I'm going to give you my best advice. Take it or leave it. I do have a viewer that stepped in the comments section and spoke on her thoughts of diatomaceous earth, and she's been using it for a while. It has helped her get rid of bed bugs, and she still uses it because once you get bed bugs, and this is my recommendation, once you get the bugs, you don't ever want to stop treating. And diatomaceous earth is the product that lasts the longest, but it's not the one that you have to use. I never made a video saying nobody has to do this or you have to do. I say that when you come to me to ask me and you tell me, oh, diatomaceous earth didn't work. Then I would say, because you have to treat your entire home. That's when the have to comes in. That's when it comes in. So just be mindful. Don't use nothing you don't want to use. My words are only advice, and it's what I've done, proven, and not only by me, but by tons of people, proven. So if you're afraid of diatomaceous, don't use it. Also, I just created a video recommending to wear a mask when you apply it. I have the little hospital mask, the blue ones. I double those. And I have a respirator mask that I've never used, but I have it because some people may need it. In the beginning, when you apply the powder, when people apply the powder, you don't know how to apply it, so dust be everywhere. And the fact that everybody's acting like this stuff is killing people, what do you think is in the products that everything else is being used? You don't think that that's dangerous? Tell me what's safe. What's actually really safe out here? The food we eat is dangerous now. So this honestly, if you want to comment something, comment that. The food that we eat and drink, everything, even the makeup that we use. Everything we use have chemicals in it. It has something in it that's not good for us. Even our medications. So I don't know why some people are just making this huge thing out about diatomaceous earth. I really don't. And it's a ton of us that use it. Do I look like anything wrong with me? I've drank it. Brushed my teeth with it. Like, really? What? I really don't get it. And it kind of put me in a different mode when people keep coming and saying the same stuff. So this video will be shared with a lot of people. It will be shared with a lot of people. Don't use anything that you think will be harmful to you. Just because I said I used it does not mean that you have to. Keep it in mind. And I'm going to share the comment that this viewer left on her thoughts about diatomaceous earth and what it has done for her. Nope, I don't share names and things because that's personal, but I will share her comment. And it's coming up right now. So after that, that will be it for the video. And I thank you guys for tuning in. Have a blessed day.